Hello guys, welcome back. So far, we built a complete student management system with routes, controllers, views, models, authentication, validation, search, upload, CSS styling, CRUD, and everything. But until now, this project was running only on our local computer using XAMPP. Now comes the exciting part, that is deployment. Deployment means putting your project on a live server like Hostinger so that anyone with internet can visit your website. Step 1 is prepare your Laravel project locally. Open your Windows machine, open CMD or VS Code terminal in your Laravel project folder. I will stop the server and we need to perform some commands to clear the cache and rebuild them. So php artisan config clear. So php artisan config clear, then php artisan cache clear. Then we need to perform php artisan route clear, then php artisan view clear. Then we need to build again. So for that, php artisan config cache, then php artisan route cache, and php artisan view cache. These commands clear old cache and rebuild them. So we won't face any errors when moving to Hostinger. Then make sure our project is running fine locally. So I will start the server using php artisan serve command and go to the browser, click on refresh, and here we can see our project is working fine locally. Next step is to export our database from localhost. So open php myadmin in XAMPP, then select the database. Student management is our database. Then click on export. Export method keep quick and format SQL. Then click on export. It will download the student management database. This file contains all our student data structure, tables and records. The next step is to create a subdomain on Hostinger because I want to deploy my student management system into the subdomain. I have already created a subdomain. If you don't know how to create a subdomain inside Hostinger, you can watch my video how to create a subdomain in Hostinger. I will paste that in the description as well. So after login into your Hostinger panel, select the website, then click on File Manager. When we create a subdomain, Hostinger will create a folder automatically. And inside public HTML, you will see SMS folder. So this is the place where I will upload my student management system. This SMS folder is our root folder for the subdomain. Now let's move to our project into the subdomain folder. First we need to zip our project. So this is my project. I will zip this one using compress2 and zip file. Then come to the SMS folder, that is our subdomain. Click on upload, select the file. So this one is the zip folder. Click on open, it will upload. You can see is uploading. So after uploading, extract your Laravel zip files here. After selecting the folder, click on extract. Delete this zip folder, go inside the SMS folder and copy all the files and folders and move it to our SMS folder. Then move the public uh, folder contents. Laravel works with the public folder, but on Hostinger, the web root is already SMS folder. Then after moving, we need to open index.php file in the SMS folder and change some lines. So here you can see index.php file is there. Open that one and you will see a line require dir. So what we need to do is we need to remove this and we need to remove from the bootstrap as well, because index.php is now in the root, that is in the SMS folder, not in the public folder. Save this file. After that, we need to create a database on Hostinger. Here you will see databases. Click on management and give a database name, username and password. After giving database name, username and password, click on create. And you can see database created successfully, and this one we created just now. Now click on enter php myadmin, select your new database, then click on import, choose the file. This is the SQL file which we downloaded from our local php myadmin. After selecting the file, click on import. You can see all our tables are imported. After that, we need to update our .env file. In the SMS folder, you will see a .env file. So here is the env file. Open that one and edit the database settings as well as app URL. What I will do is I will give app name student management and I will remove local from app environment and give production. App URL will be our subdomain URL. Then here DB connection MySQL DB host is local host. Then we need to give database name, username and password. So this I created just now. I will copy the database name and remove this student management and paste the database name. Like this, I will copy the username and paste in the env file and add your password. Then test your domain, that is sms.safeosis.com followed by students. If everything is correct, you will see the student management system. So log in with your email and password, then click on login and you will see students list page. Here you will see student list page. If you see any errors, check .env values and index.php paths again. That's all about how to deploy our Laravel project on the Hostinger. So buddy, in this session, we prepared Laravel for deployment. We uploaded project to Hostinger. We created and connected database. And now your student management system is live on the internet. Anyone can visit it by typing your domain name in the browser. That's all about this. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.